So the RASL project, first off, it's one of the most complex projects we've designed and put out. Secondly, it's one of the most expensive projects that we put out in the history here in District 2. Basically widening the freeway while trying to handle all that traffic through the city of Anderson at the same time. It represents a great feat that our engineers and our team members worked on over the last several years.
This project went out to bid in 2018. It's about 8 miles in length, and it adds an extra lane in each direction of travel. On either end of the project, the freeway had already been expanded to 6 lanes, so at the completion of the RASL project, we will now have a continuous 6 lanes from Cottonwood to Reading.
I'm most proud with the partnering, the teamwork with the contractor, and being able to keep up with the contractor and the design changes we've made along the way without stalling the project or having to stop the operation to get approvals. And we really pushed ahead full steam, and that really helped the project. And when the contractor's moving, he's happy.
So the RASL project has a large impact on the community of Anderson and Shasta County as a whole. In particular, it helps the movement of people and the movement of freight and goods along the I-5 corridor, but in addition provides additional safety measures so that we have less crashes, and we improve that safety for all the travelers along there, including the local residents that have to use I-5 to get from place to place.
Probably the biggest challenge on a project of this size, especially on I-5, was the amount of traffic traveling through the project daily. We have close to 60,000 vehicles that come through every single day. So staging traffic around the work could be challenging. We have a lot of people working on the construction side with Caltrans that help administer this contract. We ensure things are done safely, and a lot of very talented, hardworking individuals that I had the pleasure of working alongside over the last 3 years.
One of the biggest things that I'm proud of with the RASL project was the persistence of the team to get the project funded. When we initiated that project, we didn't have the funding secured through construction, and the hard work of the team, working with our local partners and then working with our funding partners to secure those funds to actually build the project was a great endeavor. And thanks to Senate Bill 1 that brought additional transportation dollars to California, we're able to realize enough resources to see the project through construction.